Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 9th and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 7, and the name of the chapter is triangles. As again and again I do repeat that in this chapter we are supposed to deal with the congruence of triangles. So we are proceeding the exercise 7.2 and we have discussed up to question number 2. So today we will start with question number 3, and as I told you many times that you should have your textbooks with you while watching the video, so that you can also read the questions and you can get the information given in the question. So first of all we will read the question number 3, exercise 7.2, given on page number 124. In this exercise, first of all we will read the question. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means in which two of its sides are equal, in which altitude BE, CF are drawn to equal sides AC and AB respectively, as given in the figure. Figure number is 7.31 given in front of that question. So that these altitudes are also equal. So first of all we are supposed to make the figure, or we can say we have to copy the figure which is given in the question. The figure is like that, in which the name of the triangle is ABC, A, B, C, and BE is the altitude. Altitude means the perpendicular, and at the same time CF is also altitude. Now what is given? Given is triangle ABC, in which AB is equals to AC. AB is equals to AC. Where it is given? It is given in the first line that ABC is a isosceles. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles means two of its sides are equal, and this is also given that AB is equals to AC. Why? Because they, in the question it has been stated that the altitudes are drawn on the equal sides. At the same time we can say that BE and CF are altitude. Now to prove or to show, what we have to show? We have to show that these altitudes are equal in length, means BE is equals to CF. Now after that we are supposed to solve that, means we are supposed to show. Now to show, I told you many times that before practicing you cannot be able to split up the figure into two parts. So for that you can draw the rough figure. Splitted rough figure, that is A, E, B, and that is A, F, C. This is 90-degree angle, this is given, and AB is equals to AC is also given. So we will compare the triangles. In triangles ABE and triangle ACF, you are supposed to be careful regarding the names. ABE, if you have written, then you are supposed to write ACF. You cannot write AFC because AB equals to AC. If you are writing here AEB, so here you are supposed to write AFC. So be careful regarding the selection of the name of the triangles. So here it is given AB is equals to AC. That is already given in the question, already given, but we are supposed to supply the reason for that. We are supposed to mention here that that is given. And angle BEA is equals to angle BEA is equals to CFA. CFA A, Y, that is given 90 degree each. Now, two things we got. What will be the third thing? As you can see from here, this angle is common in both the triangles. This is equals to this. So, angle BAE is equals to angle CAF, common. That is common in both the triangles. You can see this angle A is common, is present in both the triangles, in this triangle as well as in this triangle. So, the triangles are now congruent because we got the three things which are required for the congruency. So, ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. Now, we are supposed to select the criteria, and the criteria is angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side. Now, the triangles, now we have proved that these two triangles are congruent. If the triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts will also be same. So, from here we are supposed to see BE. BE means BE will be equals to the corresponding part, means last two. Here is CF, that we have to prove. And now we are supposed to supply the reason for that, that is CPCT. Now, like this we can proceed the questions. I hope that you have understood that question. Now, after that we will discuss the next question, that is question number 4. Question number 4. In question number 4, the figure is same, but the information is given different. AB is a triangle in which altitude BE and CF, two sides AC and BC are AC and AB are equal. So, here what is given, that these altitudes are equal, sides are not equal. In triangle ABC, altitudes BE and CF are equal, and we have to show that AB is equals to AC, means that is the converse of the previous one. In the previous one, AB is equals to AC was given. We have to prove that the altitudes are equal. Here the altitudes are equal, we are supposed to prove that the sides are equal. So, again we will split that figure into two parts, that is AEB and that is AFC. Here these are the altitude and these are of equal length as well. Again we will write in triangle ABE and triangle ACF, and here angle BEA equals to angle CFA, y 90 degree each, and this is also given that BE is equals to CF, that is given. And again, as we have done in the previous question, that A angle is common in both. So, angle BAE is equals to angle CAF, that is common. Again the triangles are congruent. ABE is congruent to triangle ACF by which criteria? Again angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side. If the triangles are congruent, then we can say the corresponding parts will also be same. That what we have to discuss? AB. and corresponding part to AB is AC. So we can write AB is equals to AC y, that is CP CT. So both these questions are identical, their figure is also identical, but some of the information given that is different. These questions are just converse, means opposite to each other. I hope that you have understood, and after the question number 4 we can discuss question number 5 as well. So we will I will not explain each and everything what you have to write in the given, but we will discuss in the figure only. In question number 5, two isosceles triangles are there on the same base. And the name is there ABC, ABCD, ABCD. It is given that two triangles ABC and BDC are on the same base, that is BC, and both the triangles are isosceles. Isosceles. Now that is the given things you have to write given, then you have to write to show or to prove. What we have to show? To show that angle ABD is equals to angle ACD. Angle ABD is equals to ACD. With solution you can write that angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Angle 1 is equals to angle 2, because it is given that AB is equals to AC. So the angles opposite to equal sides of the triangle will also be equal, that is the equation 1. Then angle 3 will be equals to angle 4 for the same reason, but here BD is equals to CD, that is equation 2nd. Adding 1 and 2, 1 and 2, we get what we get? Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to angle 1 plus angle 3 is equals to angle 4 plus angle 2. Angle 1 plus angle 3, angle ABT. Angle 1 plus angle 3, angle 2 plus angle 4, ACD. Hence we have proved what was required in that question. I hope that you have understood, and first of all you are advised to repeat the questions what we have discussed during this video, and after that you can proceed or you can try the upcoming questions. And if you are facing any kind of problem or if you are having any kind of doubt, then you can message us or you can even call us. We will try our level best to rectify your problem so that you can easily proceed the questions given in your textbook. At the same time, after completing the work, you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number, so that we can also maintain the record of the name of the students who are completing their work on the daily basis. Thank you very much.